Why do minarchists oppose income tax? Have you ever wondered why some people are against income tax? In the world of political ideologies, minarchists have a clear stance on this issue. They oppose income tax because it clashes with their belief in minimizing government power. Minarchism promotes a limited government, often referred to as a night-watchman state. This means the government should only focus on protecting citizens from aggression, enforcing contracts, and maintaining law and order. For minarchists, income tax represents a form of coercion. They see it as the government taking a portion of an individual's earnings without their explicit consent. This action goes against their principle of self-ownership, which asserts that individuals have full rights over their labor and property. When the government imposes income tax, it interferes with private property rights and individual freedom. Minarchists argue that these rights should be respected, except when it comes to protecting individuals from direct harm. Additionally, minarchists believe that most goods and services should be provided through free markets rather than by the state. They argue that voluntary transactions and private enterprises are more efficient and fair than government redistribution funded by income tax. In their view, the government should stick to protecting property rights and enforcing contracts, rather than redistributing wealth or funding broad social programs. From a practical standpoint, minarchists argue that eliminating income tax would help reduce the size and scope of government. This reduction would prevent the government from expanding beyond its legitimate functions. By doing so, individuals would have more freedom to make their own economic choices and face the consequences of those choices. Minarchists see this as essential for fairness and true freedom. In summary, minarchists oppose income tax because it represents an unjustified expansion of government power. They believe it violates individual property rights and undermines their ideal of a minimal state. This minimal state should focus solely on protecting citizens from aggression and enforcing law and order. Minarchists advocate for a government funded through less coercive means, or one that is drastically reduced in scope to avoid infringing on personal liberty.